Hello friends, welcome to music21 in Python. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you on all the default settings in music21. So let's get started. The commands are as follows. From music21 import star. This command means to import files such as note, stream from music21. The next command is s equal to stream.stream. This command means to create a staff and name it s. Now, the next command is ks equal to key.key. This command means to create a key signature and name it ks. Ks means key signature. The next command is s.append ks. This command means to add the key signature ks to s. Now, as the aim of this program is to explain all the default settings in music21, now I'm gonna share with you that when nothing is specified inside the parenthesis of key, that is over here, it means the default key signature is on the key of C. To help you visualize that, let me press F5 to run this program. Pressing F5, loading, and it will take some time. Here we go. So friends, this is our score whose default key signature is on the key of C. I hope you can see over here there is no sharp symbol, there is no flat symbol. It means that the default key signature is on the key of C. Now, if you want to change the key signature from C major to a different key, maybe say E major, you will have to make change to this command. You go to this command over here and then you enter E, which means now the key signature has been changed from that of the default key signature, which is on the key of C, to that on the key of E major. To help you visualize that, let me press F5 to run this program. Pressing F5, loading. So friends, I hope now you can see that the key signature has been changed from that of a C major to that of E major. Because why? I hope here you can see that there are 4 sharp symbols, which means that the key signature has been changed to E. Now the next command is ts equal to meter.timeSignature. This command means to create a time signature and name it ts. s.append ts means to add the time signature ts to s. Now, as the aim of this program is to explain the default settings in music21, I will share with you that when nothing is specified inside the parenthesis of time signature, that is over here, it means the default time signature is 4 by 4. To help you visualize that, let me press F5 to run this program. So friends, I hope you can see that the default time signature is 4 by 4. Suppose now we want to change the time signature from default 4 by 4 to 2 by 4. What we will do is that we will go to this command and enter 2 by 4 and then press F5. Pressing F5, loading, and here we go. So friends, I hope you can see now that the time signature has been changed from that of the default time signature to a different time signature, that is 2 by 4. Now the next command is metronome mark. Empty equal to tempo metronome mark. This command means to create a tempo metronome and name it empty. Empty means metronome tempo. The next command is s.insert empty. This command means to insert the metronome tempo to S. Now, as the aim of this program is to explain the default settings of music21, this is a note that when nothing is specified inside the parenthesis of metronome mark, that is over here, it means the default tempo is 120. To help you visualize that, let me press F5 to run this program. Loading. It will take some time, and then here we go. So friends, you have to wait some time until OK. Now you can see that the icon over here, quarter note equal to 120. This means that the default tempo duration of this score is 120. Suppose now you want to change this tempo from 120 to 60. What you will do is this. Over the parenthesis over here, you type 60, which means that the new tempo is 60. Now, to help you visualize that, press F5 to run this program, and then here we go. Loading and OK. So friends, now I hope you can see that the tempo has been changed from that of a default tempo 120 to that of 60. So now quarter note equal to 60, and over here quarter note equal to 60. This is how we change the tempo from default tempo to a different tempo. But keep in mind that when you don't enter anything inside the parenthesis of metronome mark, it means the default metronome is 120. Now, next we come to note. Now n equal to note.note. This command means to create a note and name it n. When nothing is specified inside the parenthesis of note, it means the default note is C4. To help you visualize that, let me press F5 to run this program. So friends, I hope you can see that the default note is C4. OK. You see this natural symbol over here because the key signature has been changed to E major. What I'll do now, let me change this. OK, done. So now the default note is C4. This means when you don't enter anything inside the parenthesis of note, it means the default note. Suppose now you want to enter a note other than the default note C4. For that, you just need to enter your user note name. Okay, user note name, E, the name of the note, 6, the octave number, and then press F5 to run this program. Loading. OK. So now the note is E6. E6 is the note that we have entered different from the default note. This means that when we don't enter anything inside the parenthesis of note, it means the default note is C4. But when you specify the note name by writing E6, it means the note to be displayed on MuseScore will be E6, not C4. Next, we come to duration. Now, for the duration, I hope you can see that note duration is specified inside the parenthesis of note. When note duration is specified inside the parenthesis of note, that is over here, it means that the default note duration is that of a quarter note duration. To help you visualize that, I will press again F5, running this program, and then loading. So friends, this is our same E4 note, and I hope you can see the default duration is that of a quarter note duration. Because why? We have entered nothing here. We have entered nothing here. That is why the default duration is that of a quarter note duration. Suppose now I want to enter a duration different from that of a quarter note duration. What I will do, I will use this parameter. This parameter is called a quarter length parameter. Okay? Quarter length is a parameter which specifies the duration for the note. And this quarter length is equal to user duration. User duration means user defined duration. So what you will do, suppose you want to enter the duration of this note E6 to be say 4. 4 means a whole note duration. So now our new duration is duration of a whole note, and the note is E6. So now let us press F5 to help you guys visualize all these changes. So pressing F5, loading, it will take some time, and then here we go. So friends, this is our new note, that is E6, and I hope you can see the duration has been changed from that of a default note duration to a whole note duration. I hope you can see there are two half note here. It means the duration is that of a whole note duration. So friends, this is how you enter a note of any choice you want and of any duration you want. But if you don't enter anything, it means the default note is C4 and the default duration is that of a quarter note duration. In the same way, in the metronome, when you don't enter anything, it means the default tempo is 120. In the same way, in the time signature, when you don't enter anything, it means the default time signature is 4/4. In the same way, in the key signature, when you don't enter anything, it means the default key signature is on the key of C. So friends, this is all we have on to explain all the default settings in music21. If you need a copy of this code, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, please help support this channel by clicking like, comments, and subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video, and thank you.